Welcome to the AccuWeb hosting video tutorial. Today, we will learn how to uninstall the MySQL database completely from the Ubuntu OS. Uninstalling MySQL can be complicated because it doesn't remove all the related files and settings. You need to delete those extra files and folders to completely remove them from your system. Before you uninstall MySQL, make sure to back up your files and settings. If you know how to use MySQL, you can do this manually or use the MySQL dump tool to save your data. Steps to completely remove MySQL Server on Ubuntu. To fully uninstall MySQL Server and all its related files from your system, follow the steps below in order. Step 1. Secure the backup of the databases. Step 2. Stop MySQL service. Step 3. Uninstall MySQL packages. Step 4. Uninstall dependencies. Step 5. Remove MySQL configuration and data files. Step 6. Remove MySQL user and group. Step 7. Verify the removal. Let's move to the lab and perform the practical. Step 1. Back up the databases. Before uninstalling MySQL, make sure you've backed up all your databases to avoid losing data. Run this command to save a backup. We will use this command to secure a backup of all databases. Let's verify whether the backup has been created. You can see that the backup of all databases has been created. Step 2. Stop MySQL service. First, check if MySQL Server is running on your system. Trying to remove it while it's running can cause errors. Run this command to check the status of MySQL. If MySQL is running, stop it with this command. To confirm it has stopped, run this command. If MySQL is not running, you can safely remove the MySQL server. Step 3. Uninstall MySQL Server. Next, remove the MySQL Server packages. Since all MySQL Server packages in Ubuntu start with MySQL Server, you can remove them all at once with this command. Step 4. Uninstall dependencies. When you installed MySQL Server, several additional dependencies were also installed. Now that you've removed MySQL Server, these dependencies are no longer needed and should be uninstalled. To remove these unnecessary dependencies, run apt auto remove. apt-get auto clean. The auto-remove command gets rid of all orphaned packages from the system. Step 5. Remove MySQL configuration and data files. Even though we used the purge command to remove program files and some configuration files, certain databases, security keys, and other configuration files must be deleted individually. The configuration files are located in /etc/MySQL. The security keys and MySQL files are in /var/lib/MySQL. Make sure to completely remove these files. Otherwise, they will remain on your system and cause problems when reinstalling MySQL Server. Run these commands to check for files in the folders. If files are still present after removing the packages, delete these folders manually to completely uninstall MySQL from Ubuntu. Run the below-mentioned command to remove the folders. Important note: we recommend renaming these folders instead of deleting them in case you need to restore the data in the future. If you enabled logging for MySQL Server, delete the log files with this command. Step 6. Remove MySQL user and group. We also need to remove the MySQL user and group. Run these commands in the terminal. Step 7. Verify the removal. Run the following command to list all packages installed on your system and check for any MySQL packages. If there are none, you have successfully removed MySQL from your system. That's it. You have now successfully removed MySQL from your Linux system. You can now install a different database system or enjoy a cleaner system without MySQL. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to uninstall the MySQL database completely from the Ubuntu OS. If you like our technical videos, please press the subscriber button and bell icon to receive instant notification of our new videos. Each like is important to us, so do not forget to thumbs up. To download a PDF file of this video, please subscribe to our Telegram channel, AccuWeb Hosting, where you will have the access of PDF files of all our videos. Thank you for watching.